Metro Manila skies were covered by smog after New Year revelries. Now, smog is fog or haze combined with smoke and other pollutants such as those from firecrackers. With this, some people were seen wearing face masks. One public health doctor said overexposure to smog can cause several illnesses such as allergies.
Kung wala naman po tayo talagang gagawin sa labas, okay, huwag na tayong lumabas. Okay, kasi nga po, more often than not po, nasisinghot, nalalanghap. The only way siguro, mag-mask, okay, kung kayo po ay may asthma, may allergies, siguro po you can take antihistamine for that matter.
Until now, we're dealing with the same problems. Alala ko nung bata ako, my mom and dad always had me clean ears and nose. Right after the celebration. And you see yung black suit from the smoke. Talagang nag-iipon-ipon.
Oo, kahapon nga on the way to the office, nung paglabas ko ng bahay, nakita ko nga yung langit and sabi ko, fog kaya to? Malamig lang kaya? Parang naging Baguio na yung Metro Manila. But then, syempre, when you realize nakakatapos nga lang ng New Year revelries, it's apparently from the bad air quality talaga yung mga paputok.
Actually nga, yung pauwi, yung driving medyo madilim pa nung January 1, kala ko naka-off pa yung headlight ko kasi parang hindi gumagana yung headlight eh.
Oo. Ay actually, now that I remember, no, yung kotse na tumagilid kanina, parang nag-drive rin siya nung I think
after celebration.
12 a.m. At kaya siya may binunggo siyang barrier kasi nga sobrang labo nung daan.
Hindi
na niya makita. So, 'di ba? Yung one of the effects nga of having all these firecrackers at nabanggit nga ni Doc kanina, no, kung wala naman po kayong gagawin sa labas, wag na lumabas at but if you really have to, lalo na kung pang trabaho, better to wear face masks para protected po talaga.
And be ready with your medicine kasi kahit hindi ka man prone sa asthma, it could cause a trigger daw an allergic attack because you're talking about critical index daw ang critical level ang smoke quality,
Lalo
air
na
quality
sa Manila.
Sa Manila.
Manila City.
Grabe daw, oo.